Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. Now, like Big Galaxy Survivor 3D back home game out today, we'll be making video about. So, guys, many of people asking me, Saddam brother, tell me how to be complete to be this game's craft and how to collect to be queens. So, guys, this is the all about everything more easily now. Only explain you something about this game and then you will be easily complete to be this game task. So let's start this video and I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be totally helping to you and guide to you how to complete to be this craft and collect to be million coins. Okay guys, I be already download this game and I will be completely telling to you so how to complete to be this game craft and how to collect to be this coins. Okay, so this game like be loading now and I will be completely guide to you and telling to you about this game. So long time I'm be not to be playing this game, but I will be completely helping to you and guide to you how to will be complete to be this task. Because this is the more important video for you guys, you will be never be skipping now because I will be totally helping to you and guide to you how to complete with these games and how to will be starting this easily to be receiving this game. Because I will be show you because my many of senior friends asking me, first of all, if you want to be more coins, so you will be upgrading this like the two sides. Oh my god, where are you going? Just to explain you all about this game and you will be never skipping no video because I will be totally helping to you.
Ready to enter crypto? Get
and before you will be go, this is the sides and you will be completing your craft. And before you, if you have needed to be coins, so you